Good morning, children. Today we are starting our GK first lesson, Indian art. India has a rich cultural heritage. What do you mean by cultural heritage, children? Cultural heritage that we take from generation to generation. The legacy is going on. Since the ancient time, India art, sculpture or painting has always been appreciated all over the world. India is having many sculptures and paintings which are appreciated all over the world. The foreigner tourists come to our country and they really appreciate our heritage, cultural heritage. Let's look at some of India's most famous art forms, artists and their creations. So now we will learn our cultural heritage. Match the Indian artistic creation with their corresponding descriptions. First, it is here Indian art and the description that we have to match. Raja Ravi Verma. What description we are giving for Raja Ravi Verma? This famous painter from the princely state of Travancore, Kerala, is known for his beautiful painting of Indian mythology. Gone painting. This tribal art from Madhya Pradesh is created by putting together dots and lines. Elephanta. This city of caves on the Gharapuri island of the Mumbai coast is a UNESCO heritage site famous for its Asian cave temple. Children, have you been to Elephanta Caves? It's nearby, near Mumbai. You can travel there. After this pandemic, you can visit here. It's a beautiful place. Ajanta. These caves near Aurangabad, famous for their mural paintings, are the finest surviving example of Indian art. Ellora. Locally known as Veruleni, these 34 monasteries and cave temples are home to some of the most remarkable sculpture. Prince of Wales Museum, also known as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya. This building showcases some of the India's finest art exhibit. Children, do you know what is the meaning of Sangrahalaya? It is a museum. Rangoli. This is an art of making design or patterns on the floor of the house using finely ground white powder along with different colors. We all make Rangoli when festival comes. Especially when Diwali will come, you will see all the houses in front of the main door, Rangoli is made to welcome the god. Amrita Shergill, popularly called as India's Frida Kahlo. She is one of the most gifted Indian artists. Tanjore paintings. Adorned with gold foil and semi-precious stones. These classical South Indian paintings have decorated the walls of temples, places and homes since the 17th century. Did you know paint used in Madhubani painting are made from the natural substances? Black color comes from soot to cow dung. Yellow from combining turmeric with the milk of banyan leaves. Blue from indigo. Red from kusum flower juice or red sandalwood. green color from the leaves of wood apple tree, white from rice powder and orange from palasfa flowers.